turn me twin.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop.
Dude, Alex has some competition.
That's a misfire.
There we go. Okay.
Tonight.
Everything has to be
Cobra looking smooth.
Like you can't just
GT
turn swap
500.
5.0 or
Holy, that stance is real. Crazy-ish. How do you like it so far? Nice, right? Oh my God. Clean right here, bro. Holy. God damn. You know how it is. Boiler gang for the win.
Going towards where the dyno shop's at. That corner right there. Just park in that corner.
Hey, that's clean. What's going on? Good. Yeah. The GT 500. Hey, we gotta make a nice formation in the corner. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Is that the Cobra? That's like stupid fast?
Oh yeah, that's quick. Yeah, G Cobra. Wait. Dude, this spot would have been badass right here.
Huh?
Damn, look at this grabber blue.
Yeah.
Dude, it's thumping nice though.
Something hard.
For real. Holy.
Badass, man. Free. That white body. Blue face, baby.
Blue face, baby.
That's Kenny Bell, right?
Yeah. Clean. What's going on?
How you doing?
Good. Nice to meet you.
Likewise. How long you gonna be in town?
Just for today, yeah. We're gonna leave after. Sadly. Looking good, man. Always looking good.
I appreciate that though.
Damn. Yeah, dude, that piece right there in the middle goes hard. Ricardo's 3-valve.
The
owner GTR right here. Pretty clean.
Super Snake?
Look at
That's
Mr.
a Super Snake over there, boy.
Hey, that's a setup right there. Hey, you got the Corsa tips. It's a nice setup, yeah. Building a 3-valve too, man. This thing's wet. My twin?
I bet you that'll probably beat a GT 500.
This is probably like 750.
This is
Yeah.
Hey, future me.
And it sounds badass, dude.
Future me.
I haven't heard it.
You know, but twin Serbskis next or what for you?
Twins. 20s.
Hey, Vortex blowers always sound good.
Two sisters.
Whipple or this? What would you take? You always like the sound, don't you? Yeah.
Vortex, I'm not gonna lie.
I do like
know
the sound.
Whipples make more, but Vortex, I sound really
Yeah.
different.
That dude in blue went from a centrifugal to the VMP. He likes it, but you can't beat the sound on that.
I like how you can just put the straps in them. Even in yours, you can put the straps in them if you wanted to.
Yeah.
So it just makes it look even more race car.
There's some you could just buckle it to the back seats. Yeah, that's how
Alcantara.
Little Super Snake. Wow, that's crazy.
Stage 2.
Oh, it's a stage 2 clutch. It feels really good. What's your Instagram?
01 Cobra.
01 Slowbro. All right, you guys can go follow him. Check out the, for real, the clean. Oh yeah, this thing's beautiful. My man.
Holy crap.
Oh my God, dude.
Wow.
Hey, this is like supercar status right here.
Yep.
It is.
I'd rather have
It
this
is.
than a Lamborghini.
It's supercar status, bro.
Super snake right here.
How long have you had it? Okay. Damn.
Oh shit. Want to trade for a regular GT 500? I mean, you already enjoyed it like 5 years. Might as well let me enjoy it.
I'll trade you for a regular just GT.
Dude, that paint is like, dude, I love grabber blue. I kind of a fan of it, but you know, it's a little bright for some people. This is this one. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't know what gap it was like around here.
Well, is it 01 or 99?
It's a no 4.
Oh, what the hell?
But like he wanted to go bigger, so like everybody's going whipple.
Yeah.
All that, so he wanted to go something.
Definitely different.
It is a Terminator.
Oh, that's crazy. No one does like centrifugal blowers and none like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They wanted to do something different. So, yeah.
That's badass.
Yeah.
We got the lineup. Got the Mach 1, the Cobra 2 valve, and the twins right here.
What is it?
Now, which one is the better one though? That's a better question.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you right now. I want to know what they think. Which one's better?
Yeah. Put a poll. I mean, most people like red cars. I'm being honest. Like most people like red cars, but
Gotta show the tires, you know.
it goes both ways.
Hey, but normally he's on welds.
True.
Hey. What's showing right now?
Ooh, that sounds like a Lambo, a turbo Lambo.
Yeah, wait, let's go see if
Oh yeah, that's a Lambo.
Oh, that's a Lamborghini. It's twin turbo or something.
Check it out. It's a Gallardo, twin turbo Gallardo. Oh,
Is it a Gallardo or a
it sounded like a Gallardo.
Is it an older one?
But Gallardos are still stick, so that's
Yeah.
That's alright.
You never hear of anyone turboing the Gallardos. Right?
Pulls up, takes over Mustang meet. But hey, let's check this out, bro. Let's check it out.
Eco Beast.
For the blow-off valve. Whoops.
That stance is pretty nice.
Turn me twin.
Yeah, those stock wheels.
That's what you look like when I see you driving.
Hey, I like that look though. The OEM look has something special about it. Joel Papa smacks.
Did you just take the skin off your chicken?
I'm gonna save it for later.
Hey, Sean.
No, you're not.
Alex, where are we walking to right now?
Walking to a little 03 slow, bro. Gotta warm it up for the. Did you see that? Play that slow motion. Trying to grab my hand. No, I need to warm it up though. Like, I'll just have it warm because it don't spit flame until it gets hot. Yeah.
And we would really have to leave it here in the tow yard and you have to take the Mach.
Drop top Cobra I've ever seen in my life right there. That shit's hella crazy.
Wow.
Oh hey.
Take this on the Cobra right in my face.
2-valve. Shout out. The harness back on. Dude, that's your competition over there, that GT500. Yo, that guy's car is loud as shit. Yo, dude, Alex has some competition. Wow. Heard that? How do you think Alex is?
I don't know, bro. I gotta see what that. If that GT500 has a 2-step, Alex is done.
One at a time, starting with Austin. Every car may get 10 seconds, exactly 10 seconds.
Backfire.
I'm weak.
Bro, I'm legit scared for Alex. I don't know. That shit's jumping.
Yeah, he has a bunch of competition.
I know, bro.
Bruh.
I'm freaking to go from that.
Flight 10 seconds. That's a misfire. Cobra, Eddie Zapata. That's a close one. Alex.
What's going on?
HH Racing taking the
It's just getting legit though. HH with all the shifts and everything.
I know.
And the top, and the 2 cars in the final.
Make it a brand.
Alex, how do you feel about going against Chris?
Kind of nerve-wracking, you know. I don't know how to act, but
Just know it's out of love. It's out of love. As long as one of us brings home the trophy, because if both of you guys lose, then we just look pathetic.
If you both lose, the drive home, bro, is gonna be.
It's gonna be sad. We're just all gonna
4 or 5 hours to drive home.
Oh man,
Hey,
bro.
if me or him win, I wouldn't even need a bank tonight. I'll just.
Yeah, we'll just let
We'll
it.
mob it all the way with no energy.
Yep, no energy. Hey,
attack needed.
hey, Chris shot 4 flames at once, bro.
That was crazy.
You need to rev first for a couple seconds, and then flame.
Oh, bro, this is juicy. Yeah, juicy. Good shit.
Sorry. Oh shit! Hey, that was good. Alex lost. He's toast. Oh, we still got the coyote.
Hey, I'm hoping the Alex SBT gang just pulls through and just cheers.
David should win. GT 500. Alex. Ron, let's make sure of this. Yeah, I want to be positive. Alex from HHR. GT 500. David from Running Wild.
Damn, bro. We just.
That's 550.
Best burnout takes it.
Ramage.
Chris won that. Yeah. Oh, they're even 1-1. Hey, though, to be honest.
You're both hella loud though.
Yeah, bro, you guys are 1-1 now. You guys need a tiebreaker. Yeah.
Like Chris?
What are you gonna do against the wall? Twerk?
You're going this
My
way.
boy Chris SBT, though.
Turn.
As long as you're. It was a Mach 1, man.
Hey, what happened? The Mox is trying to cry over there.
Where's the fox at?
It's getting a Vortex supercharger to put on it. Built aluminum heads and all that shit. Oh yeah, what's tight? Is that yours?
Yeah. Man, you guys are great friends already. Hey, Joel, but we both won. We both won or what?
Yeah, that was cool.
We'll see. It's all
For
Gucci.
little friends on
Yeah. For real.
You know, there was over like 200 cars here, and you came.
Yeah.
Chris came in second.
That's not bad, not bad. I gotta look at it.
That's excellent.
Hey, you want to be in the vlog? Say what's up. What's going on?
Hey, what's up, bro?
Yeah. Crazy. Yo, that's kind of badass, dude.
This is time.
Yeah. Snake wrap, bro.
Cobra though.
Yeah, bro. That's crazy. How was it, Ish? A little recap?
Bro.
Hey, we still won regardless.
Regardless, but you two are 1-1, so we have to
we are
find
1-1.
rap battle, and you guys have to.
Hey, the secret is, guys, to just slap on the boiler attacks, and we'll be chilling, right, Joel?
Yes, sir. Hey, but it was a dope rev battle though.
Regardless, HH race made finals.
Yeah.
2 for 2, even though we got second and third. Don't matter.
Yeah.
Top 3, baby.
Chris is straight pipe, so he's you know, he has an advantage.
Hey,
No, I was kidding.
You are too. You have no cats.
We both have no cats and we both have mufflers.
Hey, what are you guys going to go get, man?
Free Lucas.
But not including your second and third place stuff.
If you guys are still here, come get your bottle of free octane booster.
Hold on.
Hey, what'd you get?
It's worth a little bit of light. You know. There you go.
Hey, this is gonna gap the muck, and it's gonna make my
Hey,
flames 10 feet
I
wide.
could gap Abraham with this.
Do it. I credit all the flames to this man right here. You know, because he installed it.
Long Haul Club goes to HH Racing from Fresno.
Hey, that's what's up.
They made it out here. Much props, guys. That's what, a 5-hour drive?
Yeah.
That's dedication. We love you guys.
Hell yeah.
Last call is goodies,
Hey, you know.
detail kits, lubricants, products, all kinds of stuff.
Oh, that's
One per
what's up.
driver, please.
That's what's up.
Thanks HHR. Thanks San Diego State.
Appreciate it. Shit. Yeah. Appreciate it, yeah.
Thank you,
For
appreciate
sure.
it. Thank you.
I'll come back for a Dyno 2 next time.
There we go. Okay. Okay, so this is going to be the first place trophy designated labeled as Stangfest 2019 disrespected the spot. First place rev battle. First place goes to David from Running Wild Car Club. Second most disrespectful car was a red GT500. That's you? Chris from HHR.
Yeah!
Third but not least, not last place, goes to Alex from also HHR.
Yeah.
He brought it big. They came to play.
Yep.
This man's Abraham just said, I can't drive or go fast. Hey, but we'll flip back to some clips of the Cobra beating the mock, the 5-0 beating the mock.
They're supposed to beat the mock, right?
No.
They're supposed to be faster. Look, hey, over here. He can't drive his car, he can't race it, but he can win a rev battle, alright?
Stock 5-0 driver mod can beat a full bolt on Mach 1.
No. Imagine she's just like.
Yeah, this is for a Kenny belt.
824. 760.
Who's winning? Kenny belt.
For $750.
Kenny
You
belt.
gotta cut that out, bro.
Where you at?
I'm
Please
nervous.
raise your hand if you're here. I need to see so I can pause it. There you go.
Oh, you got it.
He won. No joke, people.
Why isn't he hyped though? That's all.
That's what's up.
This man's
We're
just
talking about a Kenny belt.
700.
Shelby.
Oh, no way.
On everything is not, right?
Hey, that's cool though, because he was talking about getting a Kenny belt for a Shelby.
Multi-contested class. Third place goes to Alex from HHR.
Let's go.
Hey, was it worth the drive?
Oh yeah.
But
Second place goes to.
Hey, stop laughing.
Congratulations, Adrian. Best of show.
My man with the Cobra.
That was one that was next to us.
Yeah, the Cobra.
Yeah,
You know.
so sick.
Don't you disrespect the vlog. He disrespected it. Disrespected the vlog. I scared the mock earlier though. Alright guys, so we ended off the video with the rev battle a little bit. So GTR High Performance, I want to say a big shout out to Ricardo for giving us the gifts, for going out there, and it was an amazing experience. I want to do it again soon and hopefully make it even bigger and better. So maybe have our own little meet together. What's up?
We need to put in there, they need to have a Mach 1 category.
Oh yeah, maybe a little more selective categories. I think that'd be sick. Ricardo's a badass dude. Hooked it up.
You want to see the stuff?
Yeah, let's check it out. So shout out to Ricardo. He gave us these bags with a bunch of goodies in them. We won some awards. Cobra got 3rd place. Little banner. Oh shit. They actually gave us some nice stuff.
We're driving from Fresno.
Yeah, for real.
You know what I mean? Oh shit.
What else? Oh, damn. Got a little octane booster. You know, extra power.
Wait, what did they give you guys?
Little spray shine.
Yeah, so we got some good shit. So appreciate that right
Hell yeah. GTR was a great experience. It's always a good show when we go to them. It's a big drive for us, but it's always worth it in the end. But, you know, I mean, yeah, like I said, I wish there's more categories, selective categories. And Joel 5 Slow should be coming with his Fox body next time. And 2-valve did cool, Cobra ran cool. Talked to the clutch guy at McLeod because he was there. He gave me some advice, so we'll maybe try some new things about the clutch. But aside from that, it was a great experience. Loved it. Shout out to everyone that said what's up, and shout out to the dude who I signed his dashboard. That was crazy. First one I signed, that was badass. Other than that, I'm probably gonna wrap up the video. We're gonna head home, 5-hour drive, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. And if you guys enjoyed watching this content, please consider like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.